Text Converter Encoder. Decoder is a versatile Android application designed to help users transform text in various ways for encryption, decryption, encoding, and decoding purposes. This app supports multiple formats and algorithms, allowing users to convert plain text into encoded strings or decode encrypted messages easily. With an intuitive interface, users can quickly input text, select their desired conversion method, and obtain immediate results. The application caters to various needs, such as securing sensitive information, translating text into different encoding systems, or simply manipulating text for programming and data processing tasks. Text Converter. Encoder Decoder simplifies complex transformations, making it a valuable tool for programmers, security enthusiasts, and anyone needing to convert text efficiently. Its powerful features and user-friendly design enable users to manage text conversions seamlessly, enhancing productivity and data security.